Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Anbernic RG35XX. Upgrading your device with custom firmware can significantly enhance its performance and unlock many new features, making your retro gaming experience even better. The most reliable method involves preparing a new, high-quality micro SD card with a custom operating system. This ensures stability and provides a fresh foundation for your handheld, allowing you to enjoy improved functionality and a smoother interface. Before we begin, let's gather everything you'll need. First, secure a high-quality micro SD card. A 32GB or 64GB card is often recommended. You'll also need a computer and a dependable micro SD card reader. Download a file extraction program like 7-Zip and a disk imaging tool such as Rufus or Balena Etcher. Finally, remember to back up any existing game saves or files from your current SD card. Now let's flash the new operating system. First, download your preferred custom firmware image like Garlic OS from its official development page. Use your file extraction tool to decompress the downloaded archive, revealing the image file. Next, open your disk imaging software, select your new micro SD card, and then choose the extracted firmware image. Double-check your selections carefully, then click Start or Flash to write the new operating system to your card. This step typically takes several minutes to complete. With the firmware flashed, it's time to finalize your setup. Safely eject the micro SD card from your computer and insert it into the TF1 slot of your Anbernic RG35XX. Power on your device and let it complete its first boot, which may take a few moments. Once booted, reinsert the card into your computer to transfer your game ROMs and any required BIOS files into their respective folders. Now, you're ready to enjoy your updated Anbernic RG35XX with its enhanced custom firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.